Hello and welcome. So, if you're looking for a training course to cover every aspect of your LeadsLeap back office, we've got the course for you. Right on the inside, just fill in your credentials over here, your name, your email address, and grab the course. And then on the very next page, you're going to be able to get access to this course. Watch the quick getting set up video here, but you can click this link right here to immediately get access to the course. And the course will be presented to you just like this. You've got all the modules you'll need, the main dashboard, how to set up ads, the reviews, tracking links, rotators, list manager, page manager, pop-up, everything is all in this course. And within each video, as you go through, you'll be able to get more information about the notes section. You'll be able to get access to the description so you can do a quick search in different areas of the video. So you can go directly to that specific area of the video so that you can skip through and get through the course and specifically go through whatever you're having issues with or trouble with, and you can go back and you can click on a new video and go through the course. Now, the great thing about this course is that it's also rebrandable in the sense that you can have access to this share code of this particular funnel. You can't obviously you can't edit the course itself, but you're basically linking out to a generic LeadsLeap training course that doesn't have any links going back to anywhere else, so that you can use this funnel to link straight to that course that's available. And obviously the funnel here will allow you to edit the buttons right here so that people can join you in your LeadsLeap business. And then so here are the share codes. So all you need to do is to grab the share code for the lead capture page, which is the previous page that you're on right here. All right, and then you'll be able to grab the thank you page, which is this very page that you're on right now, and put the share code in here. If you have any difficulty about setting this up or editing your page, again, you can go into the LeadsLeap training course that you've just been given access to and go to the page manager and list manager to learn how to set up a funnel. Okay, so you can either use this funnel or you can use any funnel. This is just a template, and I've done this for you. We don't have any email follow-up messages, but you can go in and obviously again you can learn from the course. You can learn how to use the list manager right here to learn how to set up your own email list. And all you really need is just an instant reply saying that whenever someone comes into your mailing list here, you can just send them the link straight to this landing page, this access page. All right, it's really as simple as that. So it's a simple funnel you'll be able to set up within minutes, and then you'll be able to it'll help you to get your course out there and generate leads. That's what it's all about. All right, thanks for watching, and see you on the next training. Bye for now.